So good morning. My name is Alok, and this is Waking Wise, and this is our channel to know thyself. Today's Vedant is about today's meditation is about one of the fundamental tenets of Vedanta, which is knowing the truth. It is extremely difficult to sum it up in 15 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever the time that we have. But having said this, we are trying to meditate on subjects or intervals or levels wherein it is possible to you know get a teaser, a one slide teaser of the trailer of the entire movie. Right? So truth is the movie. We can't even have a trailer. We are just having a one page picture, a graphic one page graphic is what I say. Sit back, relax, close your eyes, keep your spine straight as I normally say. But I am also doing the same. Take three long breaths. Purakaha, Rechakaha, Purakaha, Rechakaha. अपने संकल्प को अपने इष्ट को समर्पित कर दें. Submit your will to your divine. Purakaha, Rechakaha. Increase the depth of the breathing, not the frequency. Reduce the frequency, increase the intensity. Frequency is the number of breaths that you take. Intensity is the depth of the breath. Example, inhale for 15 seconds. Exhale for 15 seconds. Inhale for 20 seconds. Exhale for 20 seconds. Inhale as if this is the universe which you are inhaling. Purakaha. Rechakaha. 10 is to 10, 15 is to 15, 20 is to 20, 25 is to 25, 30 is to 30. Your comfort, your number. Keep breathing as long as deep as possible. The yogi is sitting in Himalaya. The yogi is sitting in Himalaya. Take two breaths, one breath in a minute. It slows down the entire mind. Right? There's so much of flush of oxygen in the brain, in the mind, that there are no thoughts left. The magic is breath. इतना दीर्घ श्वास लें कि मन खुद ही शून्य हो जाए, मन खुद ही मिल जाए श्वास में, मन बचे ही ना. Take such a deep long breath with your tummy full, with your chest full, with your shoulders full, and if you still feel there is air which you can take, take. Nobody will stop you. Purakaha. Rechakaha. There is no competition between you and me. I may breathe for 10 seconds in, 10 seconds out. Ratio is always 1:1. Right? The numbers change. Purakaha. Rechakaha. Purakaha. Can you observe that you can, by the power of your mind, you can control the length of inhalation. You can control the length of the exhalation. Can you see? Can you observe? This is the first alphabet of truth. The truth is, your senses do not have a command center of their own. The dharma of the senses is to obey the mind. पूरा कहा, इंद्रियों की अपनी कोई बुद्धि, कोई मन नहीं होता, वो मन के आदेश पर चलती है। क्या आपने ये दृष्टाभाव से अभी अभी देखा और किया और अनुभव किया? क्या आपने अनुभव किया? Did you experience this particular point? That yes, you can change the length, breadth, or the depth of the entire breath. Yes, you can do that. You have the power. The nature, the dharma of the senses is only to obey the command and take the input from outside, give it to the mind. Can you just simply observe this process? This is the dharma of the senses. ये इंद्रियों का धर्म, जाति, स्वभाव है और ये इसका सत्य है। अगर आपने ये सत्य जान लिया तो आप इंद्रियों से मिलने वाले विषय और उनसे उत्पन्न हुए विकारों से मुक्त हो गए। Such a simple and a profound way. You have closed your eyes. There is no additional input which is coming from outside. Right? But you have your own internal screen of the universe which you are seeing. ये इंद्रियां अपने विषयों का छाप आपके मन पर फेंकते रहती हैं बंद होने के बाद भी। अगर आप इंद्रियों को संयमित नहीं करेंगे तो वो अपने अपनी बुद्धि से चलेंगी और उनका मैग्नेट, उनका चुंबक विषय है, मन नहीं। If you do not control the length of the breath, they will automatically reduce to 2 seconds and 5 seconds. Why? Because if they do not get a command from the mind or the intellect, right, they will obey their own intellect and own mind, and which is the mind and the intellect of the subjects and the objects, because they do not have anything of their own. Uh, Can you understand this? This understanding is a profound understanding. It's a very liberating understanding. ये जानना और समझना अपने आप में अत्यधिक मुक्तिदायक है। ये मुक्तिदायक है कि आप इंद्रियों का कोई धर्म नहीं है, वो केवल केवल रिले का काम कर रहे हैं, केवल संचालन का काम कर रहे हैं। तो इसका मतलब सत्य कुछ और है, परम सत्य कुछ और है। ये इंद्रियों का धर्म जान लेना, ये इंद्रियात्व सत्य है। Understanding the nature of the senses is sensual level of truth. Let us put it like this. Understanding the nature of the senses is the sensual level of truth. Similarly, there is a material level of truth, the subject level of truth. Right? As you're breathing in, ooh, rakaha, there is oxygen outside. It is there, hence you can breathe, right? That is also a truth. That's a material truth. That's the subject truth of air which is available. बाहर वायु है, आप श्वास तभी ले पा रहे हैं, ये वायु है कि उसका स्वभाव है कि श्वास लेने में वो अंदर आ जाती है, ये वायु का सत्य है। जब आपने ये जान लिया तो आपको पता चला कि वायु के कोई गुण, स्वभाव और धर्म नहीं है, उसकी अपनी कोई बुद्धि नहीं है। ये वायु का सत्य है, ये व्यवहार का सत्य है। ये अपने हिसाब से चलेगा जब तक आप उसको नियंत्रित नहीं करते। नियंता आप है। You are the controller. The wind does not have its own intellect. Similarly, if you look at the entire objects, entire subjects, the entire material world, they do not have their own intelligence where they are designing and coming to you with a structured plan and a meticulous matrix of attacking your senses. No, they just do it in the automatic mode. That automatic mode is the divine mode. It's a natural mode of the nature. It's called the prakriti. But you can control it since you are being called a Purush. Prakriti, Purush. Purush is not gents or ladies, or male or female. Purush is the controller, right? And Prakriti is the doer. Can you understand this thing? You're taking a deep, long breath. You can control and change from your nostrils the quantity, the amount, the depth, the length, right? The nature from which nostril which you want to do. That is what is truth. That is what is truth. इंद्रियों के तल का सत्य ये है। मन के तल का सत्य क्या है? सारी इंद्रियों का सत्य ही है। श्रवण इंद्रियों का यही सत्य है, नेत्र इंद्रियों का यही सत्य है, नासिका इंद्रियों का यही सत्य है, जीभा का यही सत्य है, और स्पर्श का यही सत्य है. All the five senses, they have the same truth. Observe this truth. Inputs are coming to your five senses. You are controlling them. Controlling the breath, controlling the closure of the eyes, controlling the closure of the semi-closure of the ears. You're only putting your ears to this conversation, this meditation. That's a great power. There are hundreds of noises which may be coming from the universe. But no, you're the controller, you're the Purusha for that. आप अपने श्रवण इंद्रियों को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. इस स्थिति को थोड़ी देर दृष्टा भाव से देखें. Observe this stage for a couple of minutes. Did you observe that the mind is wandering? Did you observe that when the moment you ask the mind to observe the breath, ran away into the past or it ran away into the future? ये मन का स्वभाव है. मन का स्वभाव ही यही है कि या तो वो भूत में जाएगा या भविष्य में जाएगा, वो वर्तमान में नहीं आएगा. ये कहने का औचित्य यही था कि आप इस बात को जाने कि ये मन का स्वभाव है, ये मन का धर्म है, इसीलिए ये मन के तल का सत्य है. To make you observe the breath, the idea was to make you experience and understand that it is the nature of the mind, that it will go into the past or go into the future. Right? Hence, this is the truth of the mind. Right? Now, take one step back. Go at the level of intellect. Go at the level of analysis, reasoning, decisions. Because all decisions come from intellect. All reasoning, all calculations, all processing, everything comes from the intellect. बुद्धि निर्णय कारक है. बुद्धि निर्णय कारक है. वो सारे हानि, लाभ, जय, पराजय सबका गणित कर रहे हैं. अगर आप बुद्धि से देखें, तो अगर आपने बुद्धि से अपने मन को देखा, तो आप मन में दया और करुणा भाव लेकर आएंगे. क्योंकि मन का विचार का स्वभाव ही यही है. वो भूत में जाएगा, वो भविष्य में जाएगा. लेकिन अगर आपने मन से कहा कि तुम वर्तमान में आओ, तो मन वर्तमान में आ जाएगा. Right? So the moment you take it from the intellect level and start observing the mind, you'll have compassion for the mind. Why? Because it is doing its duty of past or future. Right? But it is waiting for your command. So the moment you command it and say that, okay, only focus in the present. This, it will start doing it. The mind is your servant. The mind is at your will. You are the ruler. You are the controller. So if you are the controller, how can an object and subject from outside affect you? This is truth. अगर आप नियंता है, मालिक हैं, तो बाहर का विषय इंद्रियों के द्वार खोल के मन के पैमाने से आपके तरफ कैसे आ सकते हैं? आप बाहरी कपाट बंद कर दीजिए. You have various security doors. First you do the external security door, which is indriya, senses. Then you do the second, close the second security door, which is the mind. So Your senses are going to a beautiful girl or a beautiful boy or an amazing thing to eat, okay? Or you want to smoke, shut down your senses. You can do that. Right? Ask your mind to go away from that places so that the mind can actually take the senses away from the place. Ask the mind to think something else. You can do that. You have the power. Why? Because the processing information has to come from the intellect. Is it making sense? The moment you go step by step up in the hierarchy, you will realize that you are the controller. All these are servants. आप नियंता हैं. ये सब आपके हुक्म और गुलाम हैं. आपके हुक्म के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं. आज्ञा के लिए ये रुके हुए हैं. 2 मिनट 2 मिनट इस दृष्टा भाव में रहिए. Just spend 2 minutes in this state of observation, in understanding the truth of mind and understanding the truth of the senses. You being the intellect. Slowly bring back your mind, your your awareness to the mind, to the body, to the senses, to the breath. You'll find the breath has become so subtle, so shallow, so small. It's become so fine. And you'll also find that the body has completely relaxed, as if there is no body, right? Because you have been the observer. Slowly take a deep breath, stretch your body, exhale. Start rubbing your hands. The energy produced in the divine meditation will spread across your entire body. Rub it on your face, your head, your body. Open your eyes. And if you wish, you can continue as long as you want. Okay. The recordings will be available. We're done with the session. Any questions which I can answer? Sarah, Jata, Mala.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. I look forward to have you again. Very soon we'll be. Yeah, thank you. Very soon we'll be making the sessions paid sessions because we are still in the medieval world. Okay. So we'll solicit memberships, token memberships. Probably will solicit 500 rupees one-time membership, and then maybe 5 rupees, 10 rupees per day, depending upon how we. Because I think we need to upgrade the timings, and we're also planning to do retreats and all of that.
Okay, sir.
Look forward to it. See you.
Thank you.